Today, we're looking at one of many sewer rehabilitation methods. So, if you've ever wondered, how does trenchless manhole rehabilitation actually work? Stay tuned. Since the crew is rehabilitating multiple sewers on this street, we're jumping right in and starting with the third manhole here. You can see yesterday's results. Today, we're focusing on how we achieve this kind of outcome. Today's focus: manhole lining. This is a flex liner from PREDL, which will later be installed inside the manhole. We'll show you exactly how that works in a bit, but first, let's take a look at how the flex liner is manufactured. Precision is key right from the start. Using a 3D laser scanner, we capture the exact geometry of the manhole every 20 inches, from the top edge all the way down to the manhole invert. The result? A detailed scan of the manhole's current condition, which serves as the foundation for the rehabilitation process. These point cloud data sets are then processed by PREDL's engineers to create a digital model which is an exact replica of the existing manhole. Now, the actual planning begins. A rehabilitation concept is developed that's not just a perfect fit, but also hydraulically optimized. Each proposal is customized to fit the specific project requirements and the client's needs. Once approved, manufacturing begins. A CNC robotic milling station carves a precise negative mold from a styrofoam block. No matter how complex the geometry, it's implemented with pinpoint accuracy. Next, the polyurea coating is applied. Durable, long-lasting, and perfectly prepared for bonding with the mortar in the manhole. To ensure this, bonding bridges are integrated onto the back of the new lining. We also offer optional transition strips, which allow for flexible vertical continuation of the rehabilitation. Once cured, the flex liner, with a solid wall thickness of about 0.16 inches, is ready for installation. Along with its styrofoam support core, the finished flex liner is delivered directly to the construction site. Now, it's time for the manhole rehabilitation. First, the manhole is opened, and if present, the odor trap is removed. These odor traps often cause damage because they block proper air circulation. Before installation begins, our project manager and crew carefully plan every detail. The flex liner, which is prefabricated at the plant, is designed to be easy to transport and maneuver on site. The styrofoam support core inside the flex liner plays a critical role during installation. To ensure a clean working environment, the manhole is roughly cleaned using a pressure washer. Now, it's time to head down into the manhole. Safety is our top priority. Before the flex liner can be installed, the manhole base must be carefully chiseled out. Meanwhile, let's take a look at yesterday's manhole. In addition to the new manhole base, we installed an FRP pipe liner made of two elements and bonded them to the existing manhole wall. To do this, the FRP pipe liner was cut to the correct size and adjusted to match the height of the remaining manhole structure. Using a fiberglass putty and hardener mixture, the FRP pipe liner elements were sealed together to fit seamlessly into the old manhole. Next, we connect the first FRP element to the second and backfill both with our mortar mix. Once fully cured, the manhole is cleaned and sealed with a top coat. Boom! The new manhole is done. Wait a second, we still have work to do. Let's get back to today's project. Back at today's site, The FlexLiner is now being compressed with tension straps to make sure it fits through the manhole opening. It's carefully lowered into the manhole and positioned correctly. Once in place, the straps are removed. To temporarily stop wastewater flow, we place 2 inflatable plugs in the inlet and outlet. This keeps the work area dry, allowing us to proceed safely. Additionally, using the inflatable plugs helps keep the FlexLiner in position during backfilling. Now, the new manhole base is exactly where it needs to be. Once the styrofoam support cores are positioned, the FlexLiner is permanently bonded to the old manhole with grouting mortar. Wood wedges ensure a proper alignment between the manhole wall and the FlexLiner while the new manhole base is backfilled. To maintain its shape, we insert additional styrofoam support cores. For better mobility while working, we also use custom-cut wooden boards and a tension bar. Finally, everything that doesn't belong in the manhole is removed. Using small metal spindles, we extract the styrofoam support cores. The shaft floor is neatly finished with a polymer-modified mortar. And once the inflatable plugs are removed, wastewater flow is restored as usual through the rehabilitated manhole. And that's it! The manhole is fully rehabilitated, as good as new, and permanently protected. Now, our team moves on to the next manhole.